Hi everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless.com, and today I just want to share with you a quick, easy way that I use to raise a neckline on a t-shirt in particular. What I do is, this is just a pattern that I already had. I just cut the front out. This is a V-neck, this particular one. What I do is I take a piece of paper, tracing paper, just lay it over the top of the pattern. First thing, I will just trace the shoulder and the neckline just as it is first, and I go down just a couple inches on the front, that's where the fold is, right here. Then I hold it here in the corner and then raise this up, pivot this just a bit. So now it's raised by about an inch or so. Then I true off these lines. What I can also do is tape this down just so it doesn't move while I finish my adjustment. And then, like I said, you true off this line, and that way when you would just tape this down, and then you can do your cutting. Cut out the front piece of the pattern and you will have a higher neckline. This is assuming that your shoulder and everything else will fit just as it is. If you need to make other adjustments, you would probably want to do that first. But this is just a quick, easy way to raise the neckline on a pattern. And I've done this many, many times, and honestly, it has worked for me every single time. So long as I'm not raising it more than about an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter, it's worked for me every single time. And it doesn't matter whether it's a V-neck like this one or more of a U-neck type. It doesn't matter. It has worked for me every single time. So I just wanted to share that with you. So if you like this video, please click like. If you would like to subscribe, please do so, and just let me know what you think. If you give this a try, I should hope that it works for you as well as it's worked for me, but just let me know what you think. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.